So I got a couple of things that I need to fix or tweak today or replace. A couple of tasks that, you know, just happen. And I'll show you as I go what's going on. But ironically, the two main tasks that I want to get done today happened while this guy was here just a few days ago. Not his fault, it's just kind of funny that they happened when he was here. One I just found out about the other day, and that's in the backyard. But I want to start in the front yard. So I just want to go ahead and show you that it's not always perfect around here. It's not always sunshine and roses, even though there's sunshine and roses. It's not always perfect. There's things that break sometimes, things that need to be replaced, things that need to be fixed, and that's all part of it. And that's okay. So I just want to take you around today, show you what I'm working on, and have some fun doing it. So with that, let's get started. First item of business today, my pull cord is dangling. So this will be an easy fix. Ordered a replacement off of the eBay's 3 10mm bolts. Easy peasy. So there we go, easy replacement. Looks new, and the cord retracts all the way, which is nice. Even when I got this in March, it still even would tend to dangle a little bit off the edge. But now I'm ready to see if it'll start and if it works good and can mow the front lawn. Man, it is that time of year. It's starting to get darker earlier, and you just lose the daylight and you lose the time to get things done. Pretty sure I ran over a sprinkler head with Brett's zero turn when he was here the other day and cracked a riser. That's my initial guess at what happened. So I'm gonna go back there and find the nearest sprinkler to where everything just kind of pooled and see if I can't figure that out and get it fixed. All right, so I've got that head dug there, and then this one dug out over here. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it, but I did figure out the problem. Let me start these up here. It wasn't a cracked riser. It's actually broken heads. See how it's just kind of bubbling off the side there? And it's doing the same thing on this one too. See how it's just kind of leaking out the top. Nice thing is I can get these at Lowe's, so I will head over to the store tomorrow, pick those up, swap them out. All right, new day, new sprinklers. Got the Rainbird 5000 Pros, and we should be in business here. So I'm gonna go get these in the ground, replace the broken ones, test them out, and we should be back in business. Okay, the new heads are both in, ready to go. I like these because one, the rest of my sprinkler heads are Rainbird 5000s, but these Pro models are cool because not only do they come with extra nozzles, so you can have all the different size nozzles depending on what your needs are as far as distance and amount of volume that you can put out for each head. It also accepts a little label insert here to tell you, without having to pull the head out, what nozzle you have in there. So these were on 4s, that's 4 gallons a minute. They come standard with 3, the 3 in there. So I switched them out for 4, put the 4 label in there. So that's really nice and convenient. If you have tools for these, like this one here to hold up the actual head itself, and then the little screwdriver to adjust, makes it that much easier. So now I'll go ahead and test these out and make sure they work. Okay, these both look good now. As you can see, there's no bubbling around this here on that one, and no bubbling on this one either, so that's fixed, which is great. The reason there's water in there right now is just because I had the interrupter closed too much and it was just spraying water in the hole. So we're good now. So there it is, pretty easy fix, just takes a little time, and we're back in business. So with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and backfill these, put it back, make it as nice as I can, and we're good. On to the next project. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.